Ever go to download an app or sign into iCloud, only realize you have no idea what your Apple ID password actually is? You aren't alone. Between Face ID and Touch ID, we almost never have to type it in anymore, which makes it incredibly easy to forget. But don't worry, you probably haven't lost it forever. I'm going to show you exactly where your iPhone hides that password so you can see it in plain text. Stick with me because if the first method doesn't work, the second one almost always does. First, let's check the most obvious spot. Swipe down on your home screen and search for the Passwords app. You need to authenticate with Face ID or your passcode to get in. Once you're inside, don't waste time scrolling. Tap the search bar and type Apple. Your account should pop up right at the top. Tap it and you'll see a row of dots next to your password. Just tap those dots and your password will be revealed instantly. If it wasn't there, don't panic. There's a huge chance you saved it to your Google account instead. Open your browser and go to google.com. Tap on the three dots in the bottom right corner. And now scroll across and tap on Password Manager. Again, use your Face ID or passcode to get in. Inside the manager, search for Apple again. If you've ever signed into iCloud on a Chrome browser or an old iPhone, it'll be waiting for you right there. Ever wonder how to clear all app data and cache on your iPhone? Watch this now.